Hello everybody. I have been asked so many times, I would love you to do a walking tour at night. Well, as requested, here you are, and I hope you enjoy it. I am going to start off at the riverfront, showing you all the little local bars. I've come to the opposite side of the river so that you can see all the lights properly, because if I stand too close, you'll never get the full effect. Just over there where the arrow is, that is Street 26. And there is my lovely Red Van Bar. And these are all the bars that I walked past on my last video. And now here at night, you can see the true beauty of them. It really is gorgeous. It is so beautiful, the way the lights just reflect off the water. It really is. I think this is just day or night. The Riverside truly is my happy place. Once you've watched the video, I would like you to tell me down below in the description, what is your favourite place to come and sit of an evening? Do you prefer it down by the riverside, or do you prefer Pub Street? Let me know. So I've just stepped away from the riverside, and right along the front here you will find loads of local stalls selling the most delicious foods ever. So from there I'm going to start walking away from the riverfront down towards the main tourist area, which is the Old Market and Pub Street. We're now walking past a temple right here, which you can go in and visit. There is no charge, you can just go in and have a little look around here. There is a Vietnamese restaurant here that does pho. Sorry, my pronunciation is pitiful as normal. And just here, I'm hoping that on low light this is actually picking up for you, but there's a lovely wheel there as well. Here we go, this is the start of the downtown area down here. And it doesn't matter what day of the week you come, it is always busy, which is lovely to see. So that road just in front, that's the road that we have just walked down. To the right, there is a Greek restaurant called Ella, and to the left there is the Mexican, which is Viva 1. There is a second Viva, which lays on the road. If I turn the camera around, this is the Old Market here. And at the end of this street down here, there is Viva 2. So I'm going to wander down here and show you. A lot of times I've mentioned to people, oh yeah, I'll meet you in Viva, and they always turn up at the wrong one. So they're on a mission to find each other. So right here in front of me, this is a Viva restaurant bar as well. But this one is Viva 2, the second one. And this is the start of Pub Street, just here. But I'm going to tease you a little bit longer. I'm not going to take you down there just yet. I'm going to make you wait. I'm going to walk you up to the end of this road. So I'm going to keep going and walk you down to the end, and then walk you down the whole of Pub Street. So I will turn the camera around again. I've got it on night mode, so it hasn't got this face tracking thing that this camera that I don't really know how to use has. So I keep losing this out. Oh my goodness, if I knew how these things worked, I'd be dangerous, wouldn't I? Let me just show you down here. And all through it, there are these little lanes. So if you come, do walk down some of these little alleys, because you can find a whole host of little shops and places down there which are absolutely gorgeous. Here we go, this is out to the main road. So to my left, it's down to the river, but I'm going to take you turning to the right down here. So we are just coming up on Sok San Road. So I will stop for a minute. So this road over here, that is Sok San Road. The shop next to it is Meng Mart. It used to be a 7-Eleven, but it's recently changed. This is another one of those little alleyways. This one I call Umbrella Street, but you can't really see the umbrellas at this time of night. But it's a lovely little street full of little artisan little shops and bits and pieces down there. It's well worth a walk down there. So it is literally, so you know where you are again, Sok San Road is there. That used to be the 7-Eleven, it's now Meng Mart. So we are going to carry on. And thankfully right now the music isn't too loud, but give it another hour or so, it's going to be really, really noisy. So this is the top end of Pub Street, just down there. But again, I am just going to tease you because I'm still not taking you down there. You're like, come on now, get with the program, take us down Pub Street, that's what we're waiting for. It's like, no, I'm going to make you work for it. If I've got to walk up and down, you're going to have to wait for it. Let me turn you around. So you can see all of this. There's like loads of little shops here with jewellery and ice cream and clothing. All your little treasures and souvenirs that you might want to take home with you. And this is quite cool as well. They make ice cream out of milk and they sit there and bang it with like ice cream. Ice cream? No. Put your brain back on, girl, with like wallpaper scrapers. So yeah, they're all along here, the little ice cream places. It's nice. If you come, you should definitely try them. Hello. And again, here you go. This is making the ice cream here. So they pour the milk on, and the bottom plate is frozen. So as it hits, it freezes, and they make fresh ice cream for you with any flavour that you want. Did you get a little bit overexcited for a moment, thinking I was taking it down Pub Street? Not yet. As I said, you're going to have to work for it. I'm going to take you to a little bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little map in here of the direction I've walked, if I can remember when I get home. I'll probably have to sit and watch the footage back and go, which way did I take you? So I'm going to take you to a little bar that if you didn't know it was here, you'd never find it. So I'm just going to stop and show you where I am so you can find it. Pub Street is in that direction. There is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a pin. There's Corner Home Cafe on the end just there. And if you walk down past Starbucks, down this little road here, this is where you will find it. And it is one of the, like a really old house is the way I'm going to put it. But this is here. Can you see? I've seen that old wooden house and it is absolutely beautiful inside. And they do the best cocktails in here. So you walk down through here. And this is one of the old original buildings here. And it is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. The bar is up those stairs up there, but you can sit here. They've got like little swinging beds. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favorite places to stop and have a cocktail. It really is. But if you didn't know it was here, you would just walk straight past it. You really would. But I am not stopping for a cocktail today. So we are going to go back out onto the main street. And I promise I will take you down Pub Street. The only problem with that is walking up and down Pub Street, they play really loud music that is in the charts, which if I keep the sound on it, I will get told off by YouTube because it's copyrighted music. Because otherwise I'll be in big trouble and I don't want to be in big trouble. Anyway, let's turn the camera back round. And walk back down. So I've basically walked all the way round in a circle now. Headed down to the bottom end of Pub Street. So I can walk from one side to the other and show you all the goings on. Although, to be fair, it isn't very late. It is only 7:30 and Pub Street really doesn't get going until much later. But it will give you the general idea of the razzmatazz of Pub Street. Do you know, I think I might be earlier enough that I might not be picked up for the music, although I can hear it. I'm hoping that it's not going to be able to pick up the songs that I can hear. So they change the decorations here every so often. So Christmas, they have Christmas decorations, Valentine's Day. I'm not quite sure what the 8s are for and the love hearts because Valentine's Day has gone. This is one of my favorite bars. This one is Easy Speaking, just here. And then directly across here, this is Temple Bar across here. And right up there on the 3rd floor, that is the nightclub that I've been to a few times with Sinead. So I'm going to continue walking down Pub Street. This is Monsoon. I've not been in there before, but it looks very nice. Oops, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. It's all right, no damage done. So carry on walking up here. There is the Red Piano Bar over there. On the opposite side, there is Station B. And we are walking straight up, and then this is the crossroads. Do you remember I said that Pub Street was like a cross of roads? I'm on the main roads now, but this is the centre here. So down there, that is Viva. That's the Viva 2. Straight up that way, that is where it used to be 7-Eleven. And that's the other side. And down there is to Temple Bar. And at the first stop, hello! Hi! Oh bless, that's my friend from Khmer Lady Taste and her son. They are so sweet. Right, I'll turn you around again. And we're going to continue walking up here on this side. This is V Design. I'm just looking to see whether I can see Dean and Alan, because actually they really like that bar. You can practice your boxing there. I think I'll leave it. And there's Herbie. Herbie goes to Monte Carlo. They've got live music in there this evening. I'm glad I've come down early because it seems quite quiet at the moment. And here we are back up on the main street again. So I'm going to turn you around so you can have another look all the way down. So I hope you enjoyed that night walk around the nightlife of Pub Street and Siem Reap. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.